Hello traders. Today we will show that how we will recover the $12,000 loss with a very easy way by using the 2 hour trading systems which we have developed, the 500 coding with the 20 plus indicators we have applied into the directly MT4 chart by the MQL coding, and we will apply that same signals into the client trading terminals and we will see the results. The graph here you are seeing it is the volume band where the highest volume is traded, and it is taken the data from the 10 big liquidity providers. So the accuracy of that bands which you can see here, the support bands, this is the highest accurate bands. As we can see also from the chart itself that most of the buy signal is generated on near to that band, and the sell signal generated to our sell signals resistance level. So if you have these two systems, then I think so that you can never make a loss into the forex market if you follow strictly those pattern into that. And we will show you today live that how we applied those our those our multi indicator system and volume support and resistance systems. As we can see in the that most of the trades in the GBPUSD, USOIL and Euro USD, and we will take the consideration today the USDCHF, USOIL and GBPUSD. These three pairs we will take into the consideration because he traded only the 0.1 into the USDCHF. GBPUSD he traded around many buy and sells, and USOIL he traded most of the buy side only. So we will guide that if client follow this the trend patterns of the signals and resistance and support level as per the volume analysis, then he could easily recover the losses and he could have make a very good gain of his capital rather than making the loss. But right now our major focus to recover his losses. So we can see the all the losses which he has made on. Yes. Yeah. So current US oil price is so this is Action's real account, the client, and we'll see the current US oil price is trading the $38. So we take the current price as $38 and how many position he has opened it. So his current loss is $11,000 as all the open position you can see in the live trading here, and these are the his US oil positions that he's making the loss over on that. We can see all of his US oil position as here, and we took this all the position here and we calculated that how much loss are currently going on into the buy side, the $2,000 loss into the only US oil, and another position is held by the client is GBPUSD. So we will analyze that also with the same pattern that we can see that he traded buy as well as he traded sell also. The buy side and sell side, the loss currently $9,000, and one position is the USDCHF where you only traded 0.1 lot size. So we will show you the live with the step by step into the chart, and we will analyze that how we can cover his total $11,000 loss. So it's we'll start with the US oil first, and we will open the chart of the US oil only, and we can see that what his trading pattern and how we can cover the losses on that part. As you can see, the USOIL, he opened the position on a 9th September 4th September. So in the USOIL chart we can see that at during that 4th September we have given a sell call at around $40. But if you would have followed it, the trend from the 43 to 36, he can book the pretty much gain, but we will convert the chart into the H4 time frame as we can generate a less signal on that. And we can see that in the trend chart, the precisely from 43 to 46, 36, and again from 36 to 38. So, and again it has generated a second signal, again the buy from the 36 level. So we will take only the two entries and we will apply as total loss. We can see here the $11,000, and apart from that $2,000 loss is only from the USOIL. So in a buy side we will take the one at the rate of here 36, and sell side as per the signal we will keep it at a 43. So one lot at buy, as he is having the $40,000 capital, so he can easily trade one lot or two lot, as his average lot was 1 or 2.13, but he never did any sell as per the following the strong support level. As we can see in the chart, these are the strong support zone where we can sell with more volumes. So as his buyer volume to match, we will trade approximately 2 lot at 43, and we will hold both the positions. So we can see that his already loss is already recovered, and he is in the gain of the $9,000 by holding all the position. We have not closed any position. We can see that he is holding all the buy position, as well as we just created one sell position at 43 and one buy position at 36 as per our chart and patterns, and his loss is recovered directly, minus 2000 to the plus $9,800. So that's a simple strategy. I think there is no any complex mechanism. You just get our any service and we will provide this, the multi-trend indicators and the support and resistance, which are the taking the datas and algorithms from the volumes, and that volumes we have directly linked with the server, and that automatically that coding takes the data from those liquidity provider and update that support and resistance into the directly onto your MT4 charts. So you can see now we will go to the GBPUSD and how it performs on that side, that if we have followed the systems and the GBPUSD open the charts for the one H4 time frame, and we can see that here having the buy as well as the sell position, where when he opened the position as GBPUSD mostly open in 11th, and recently within a 4 to 5 days back he opened all the position on the GBPUSD. So as we can see in September, if he has started as per the this, there is a very huge movement from the higher point. As we can see that the sell signal is generated from the precise this support zone area, sorry, the resistance zone area, and from 1.343 to directly 1.276, 1.343 sell, and again the buy position here you can see the created from our support area, plus the signal is also giving the buy, as these are the code of the 20 plus indicators, and it's after that analyzing of that 20 indicators it is generating the buy point, and again it is giving you the 101.276 to 1.290. So we will add those values on his trading pattern, where his current loss is $9,000. As we can see that his current loss is $9,000. So we will add around his 3 lot and 3 lot. So he's already buy 3 and sell 2.69. So we will gradually add only the 1 lot in the buy side from 1.276, and the current rate is 1.290. So we will update here the current GBP price 1.2900, and we will take the one sell position. We will hold all that sell position for 1.3430, and we can see that his loss is directly reduced from 9,800 to minus 2370, and his total profit is increased to the 7,300 from the loss of the $12,000. As we want to recover the more losses into the GBP USD, but these are the scenario as he is already holding his loss and profit, so we will not cover any position. But as per our pattern and strategy, we will keep the sell position open from this level and one buy position open on this level. We will keep holding both the levels, and once the break even reach, we'll book the profit in that pot. So as the marginalized, we can still take the little bit more sell position from this area. As we can see, the lot size is still not match. Here the 4.1 total lot and here 3.69. So we can still take the 0.5 or 0.4 position into the sell. So suppose rather than 1, we could have taken 1.4 lot, and we can see the loss is almost reduced, as almost the total both the lot is 4.1 and 4.1. So hopefully the loss is reduced and his total account into the profit of 9,400. Now we will go to the USDCHF, as he is already having the good amount of capital, $40,000, and we will see that what can be happen into the USDCHF, as he is holding with only the 0.1 lot currently, and his loss is $140. So we'll open the USDCHF chart, and we can see the current rate is 0.90839 is going on. So with that current rate, we apply here, it's almost that rate is the current price, and he took the position by at 0.92139, and we will see here the what he opened USDCHF position. Yes, he opened at 2 months back. He opened at August, 1st August, so almost 1.5 month before he opened the position. So we'll see that what happened if he had followed our pattern and signals, then he could easily recover the loss and he could have in a good profit. First, his 0.1 lot size to match, we'll take the sell position. As we can see, there are 2 resistance band, 1 and 2. So this is the part where the strong selling joint point is there, 0.92. So rather than buy, we might have taken a 1.1 lot at 0.9200. That would be our sell point. And again, from that, here it fall down, and these are the support band. So we take the buy position here. So the next buy position at 0.907 side near, or 0.9065. So we'll adjust the lot size, and here to match the total 1.1 lot. So we buy here again 1 lot at 0.9065, and that's all. Both the lot is now 1.1. So it is already perfectly hedged now with the same pairs, and the loss of minus $140 is covered with the 1,400 profit. Here we want to say that we are not adding any position, we are not reducing his loss, and we can see that his $11,000 loss now converted into the 11,000 profit. So this $11,000 loss, it's easily can be recovered if he had taken our these systems and he is following since the 1 month back only, he can easily recover his loss. And all the three positions are into the profit. And with a very easy systems, as I have shown you, that from the chart only you need to follow the buy and sell pattern, nothing else. You can keep following this resistance band, you can keep following the buy and sell signal. If it is near to resistance level, you can trade with the more lots. As can see here, these are the two resistance bands and the two sell signal is already generated. You can easily take the entries from this point, and it's a very enough gains are there. So you can exit, or you can again take the buy position from that point and book your profit. Again you can take the sell position, and here again it is generated the buy signal. But if you don't want to take the more entries, you can keep holding your sell and buy, and you can do the perfect hedge. But you should have the proper analysis. You should have to take the proper calculation of your lot size. You should make the proper Excel sheet and derive your formulas and use these systems, and hopefully you can never make a loss on that forex market. As we have shown you the live, that how we have covered the loss. And suppose if you don't want to, if you suppose buy over this system today itself, and he can take the entries from this point, and he can add a buy level from these levels, again 0.906 level, he can add more buy points. As you can see, these are the fresh buy entry has generated. Currently the price is for trading at 0.90833, and once it reach to the this level, he can add 0.5 lot, and again once it reach, he can add 1.0 lot sell side. So if he follow this pattern, his account will resume into the profit very soon, and it's very easily he can recover his losses. So once more time, we can see the all of his losses, and all the three position only we analyze. He has opened even XA USD, and again he just recently opened it. As you can see the date and time, today only he opened a few more position into GBPUSD, GBPURA, and all the positions are into the losses. Can see that here. These are the position open at 15 only today itself. And again the Euro XAUSD in 117 loss. Two position open in XAU, which is in the buy side and buy side onto Euro USD, which are $164 and $129 loss are going on. So we can analyze this current position as well. Just a moment, we'll open a XAUSD and Euro USD chart, and we will show you that what could be done to reduce this around more than $1,000 losses. As here the around $1,000 loss are there. So we'll open XAUSD chart, and we'll see that he taken the buy position, but as per our indicator of the trend and support resistance band, the sell should be generated at 197 point, and he could have gained around 1950, 70 to 1950 directly. See here, 1950 near to 1970 near, 20 points gain, and he traded 0.25. If he just traded a 0.5 lot, he could have gained $1,000 profit easily, rather than making the loss. And we will see now into the Euro USD chart, and we will convert into the H form time frame. And he took the buy entry, but where that is already the resistance. You can see here that he generated the 2 lot buy into the Euro USD. And keep it in mind that this is XNS real account we are analyzing, the client, where the deposit is $40,000. He deposited the amount. So the loss are here around 100 to 200 plus, and he took the entry 1.187, which is almost our sell zone now. But he should take the entry at 1.176 if he wanted to enter on a buy side. As you can see that the buy zone are strongly here. First buy zone, second buy zone. So he can make the gain of 1.175 to 1.185, around 100 pips gain. Live, you can see from here to here, and this is our resistance level. He can sell, he can close the position with the 2 lot, 2.0 lot, You can imagine with the 100 pips how much gain. With the one lot it is $1,000. With the two lot you can get the $2,000 profit. Just holding from the 2 days to 3 days. So if he wanted to create a buy position, he should create from this level, but he created the wrong position at this point. As you can see this, he created here his buy position. So that is completely at the wrong point, 1.11638. So if he suppose created the sell position, he could have again gain of the 20 to 30 pips. And with the two lot, $600 he is in the profit already if he had created the sell position from this rate. And is all the losses which is took the wrong position, he could have easily recovered the losses on today itself. He can make the gain of $1,000 to $2,000. And if you follow the few days back, again $4,000 profit in his pocket. So hope it helps to analyze the client account and how to recover the losses. It's, I think, so very easy if you follow our precise tools, and we will also guide you and teach you. If you have any position into the loss, we have the ready-made system in all the codings and everything. You need to just apply it, and we will give you the analysis that how you can recover your losses. Don't need to close any your position. Just give us the account and let's our technical and skill traders apply the trading into your accounts. Or either you can take those tools and you can apply directly into your MT4 chart, and you can even ask about those details to our executives, and they are happy to help you. Enjoy the trading, and we request you to subscribe this channel, as we don't want to gather any favor or anything else, as the subscription adds for the traders help, as they can value our videos and they can analyze and they can cut their losses and convert their account into the profit. So you can subscribe, or you can even get the notification icon into your homepage once we will upload the videos. Wish you happy trading.